You wake up and check your phone. You're already tired, not from work, from thinking about money again. You make just enough to breathe, enough to eat out sometimes, enough to buy small things that make today feel easier, but never enough to feel calm. Every month looks the same. Salary comes in, bills go out, the rest disappears quietly. You tell yourself you'll get serious next month, after this purchase, after this trip, after things slow down. At first, it's confusing. You're working, you're trying, so why does nothing change? Then it gets frustrating because you see other people moving ahead, not louder, just steadier. And late at night, it turns into regret. Not dramatic, just a small, heavy thought. I should be further than this. And the mistake isn't that you don't earn enough. It's not that you're irresponsible. It's not that you don't care. The real enemy is comfort. The small rewards you give yourself to survive the week. The distractions that numb the pressure. The routine that keeps repeating. The promise of tomorrow. You weren't meant to be stuck here. You have potential. That's why it hurts. But here's the truth. Money doesn't disappear because you're bad with it. It disappears because you trade your future for relief, over and over. And this is where everything changes, because this isn't about motivation, it's about identity. The moment you stop asking, what feels good right now, and start asking, what kind of person am I becoming? Discipline isn't punishment, it's self-respect. It's control. It's choosing peace over pleasure. It's saying no to comfort today so you don't have to beg life for freedom later. Most people never notice this moment. They just keep spending time and money the same way. But you noticed, which means you're standing at a line. So the question is, will you keep buying comfort or will you finally buy your future?